Hey guys, my name is Amaka and you're watching Miss Nigeria TV. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to do that on your way out. Today, I am bringing to you guys easy makeup tips for beginners. You know, like tips, things you should do and should not do to help your makeup game stay strong, if you know what I'm talking about. So yeah, starting off, you should spray your makeup with a finishing spray to help you have an even more natural look. You can get like really affordable makeup sprays. They're really nice, good, great drugstore brands that sell makeup setting sprays. Get one, spray your face after your makeup. It is a game changer, trust me. Secondly, use an eye primer before applying your eyeshadows. It helps your eyeshadows pop more. It helps it not to crease, even your eyeliner. It stops it from smudging. It helps it pop more. It helps it from creasing. It helps. It helps for an easy application. You should never ever apply your eyeshadows or your eyeliner without priming your eyes. There are different eye primers in the market. You can pick one for your everyday makeup application. So next, for flawless blending, you should use a clean brush. Try to clean your brushes before you apply something else. You can always multitask with your brushes or your beauty blenders. You can use one brush for like different or multiple things. That's what I'm trying to say. So, but before you do that, try as much as possible to clean off the brushes from what you used it for before you use it for something else. I don't know if that made sense. I'm sure you did. Next, if you want to intensify your eyeshadows, like if you want your eyeshadows to, blind everyone literally, spray with a fixing spray or a setting spray. Just spray your brushes with a setting spray before applying your eyeshadow. That is after, of course, you've applied your eye primer. Spray your eyeshadow brushes with a setting spray before applying your eyeshadows. Please do not do this when you're applying a matte eyeshadow. You should only do that when you're applying a shimmery eyeshadow. Try to clean off a product that you've used before diving into another product. That way it helps you have a flawless blend. It helps you not to pack on too many products on a particular place. So last but not the least, keep it minimal. Try to use light strokes when applying your makeup, be it your eyeshadow, your eyebrows, eyeliner, your powder, foundation. You literally just want to build up. You don't put everything on there, and it's going to be really hard for you to blend. So just to avoid that, do use light strokes. Anyways, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, do share it. Follow us on our social media pages, like this video, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And please, if you haven't subscribed, you should do that now. Thank you so much. I will see you next week. Bye-bye.